We are today December 22nd of 2017, and today at Easy Systems we are releasing Easy Platform version 2.0 as well as Easy Platform version 1.13 long-term supported. So I just want to give you a sneak peek about this new version 2 and show you a little bit about the interface. What you should know is that first, the main work we did was to redevelop how version 2 is made. So it's not the same technology, it's made with very pure Symfony 3 development and a little bit of React.js for all the highly interactive part and a little bit of Bootstrap for all the UI elements. From there, we made it way simpler for developers to extend and customize, but we also made it simpler for editors to use, so that's a big win. Let me show you a few screen and interactions so that you get a feel about that. And I will just let you explore more if you want to know more. But now let me show you some of the basics. And the basic is always creating a picture gallery. So I will just go in the content tree and I will create a picture gallery. And you can see that, for instance, interaction to create content where you can pick language and content types has been redesigned and is way simpler. I will pick my content type gallery and I will create a gallery for my last trip to Norway. And creating the gallery, we'll just upload some images in there, drag and dropping using the multi-file upload, which automatically convert images into image content types. So you can see that the multiple uploaded everything. Today my network seems to be okay. I could from there edit or delete, but I will just stick with that and I will look at them using the sub item. Like in good old Easy Publish or like in Easy Platform version 1, images have been uploaded as image content type and I can use them from there. I could eventually edit and add additional information. I could translate them. This is not my car. But what you can see as well is that the UI and the screens are much more user-friendly and they are more comfortable to use, and that makes editors actually more productive. So that was just editing a picture. I could show you other content types, but no need to spend too much time. What's interesting, however, is to see that all the features that we had before and even more have been ported to this version 2. So you have subtabs and you have the versions and the versioning management. You could delete version. There are some new features in there. You have ability to create locations, hide locations, swap content, all the features which have always been there, including a few new things. The translation manager, for instance, has been rethought and is better to use. I could create here new translation in new language as they are set up in the system. I won't show you more, but just the basics. All the features from 1.x are there, including new features which came with 1.13 and 2.0. You can see here a link manager, which will provide a cohesive way to control, keep track, and eventually modify all the link that is present in your content. So that's something very new and looking very consistent with the rest of the interface. And all the field types that are used also by the CMS have been ported to this new version. I can show you, for instance, when I will create the almighty content type. I create a content item of this type. It's just a test content type, which actually use all the field type that we have by default in the application. And you can see that they are all here, editable, and they all look much better than what they used to. The map location has been changed, not anymore using Google, but using OpenStreetMap. This way we don't require a key for users to see the map. And everything has been ported and everything is now done with new look and feel. Not only the default field types, but also some key field types from the community, which actually we love, have been ported by community members such as NetGen or Novactive. So for instance, we have on this other installation of version 2, we have the NetGen tags as well as the Nova SEO bundle, which has been ported, and you can use those content types now with version 2. I'm here on on an enterprise edition, so you can see that I also have the page mode and I also have NetGen tags, which comes in the interface, so you can use this. Back to my regular demo, the whole admin interface as well has been improved and is much more usable. So I would say that's probably the only thing I want to show from now. It's looking much better, it's much more comfortable to use, but more importantly, it's very, very fast, which users should love. So you can see that the interface is reacting, and even if it's not single page application but Symfony, it's actually faster than anything we did before. So I look forward for people to try it and to experience what we experienced today when we tried. It's really making us much more productive when we use the content management system. I will stop here. I will wish you happy holidays. I will wish you a lot of pleasure to try this new version and do a lot of projects with it. Thank you.